Hi everyone, here's Pascal from the Kone Academy. In this video I want to show you one styling trend, the modern dandy look. For the blow dry technique I use the new Goldwell StyleSign Bodifying Control Mousse from the volume segment. The product is ideal for classic and voluminous blowouts, like the modern dandy look. I get lasting volume and perfect control over my styling. And I work here with the Varis Denman Brush. I work with this brush with two different techniques. The first technique is only for the shine, and here I work with the brush on the head from the left side to the right side. The second technique, it's for the volume. Here I go with the brush on the roots on the hair and I blow dry the hair from the front to the back. Now you can see here the result from the blow drying. It's very classical. For the modern dandy look, I use from Goldwell StyleSign Texturizing Paste from the texture segment. The paste creates a matte look with a maximum hold and a rough structure. And for this styling I work only with my hands. And now you can see here the final result of the modern dandy look. I'm very happy with the new products from Goldwell StyleSign and with the final result at my model Lucas. Don't forget to watch other videos on the Goldwell Education Plus channel on YouTube and click the bell and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.